I'm excited to show you how you can start adding properties. Here, let us assume a scenario. You want to add a property which you want to publish and then start managing it. As I have added enough properties, I can see a lot of information on my profile page being populated here. Considering you're a first time user where you haven't added any property, you won't see this one. So the first thing what you need to do is you need to start adding the properties so that you can get some using the data. This app starts populating you a lot of intelligent information. Okay, let's add a property now. I'm going to add a property so that I can publish and start managing it. Residential. I select property subtype. I enter the address of the property. This is the Google address. And there's a lot of optional information which if you wish, you can populate it. I'm going to enter some property information now. So here, if you want to associate the owner of the property so that he can have an access to his own portal or login so that he is connected to this property, what we do is basically we enter the name and valid email address of the owner. So let's see what's going to happen now. So here it's checking if this owner exists in the database. So as owner doesn't exist, what it does is basically it offers a capability where an auto account will be created automatically. An account will be created for the owner and it will send to his email address which we have entered here with the login that is user ID, that is his email address, and the password, auto-generated password, which he can change once he logs in. So I want to create an account for owner for sure because I want him to have a look at all the things while I manage the property, and he gets a lot of other information about his property without having to bother me a lot. So I can select some photos, but I'm not going to select any photos for now. And here's a place where I say whether I want to publish this and start managing, or I basically select existing, where if I want to manage property which is already on rent. So here I want to select publish and say what is the available date. So it's available on 22nd. Deposit amount is $1,500 and monthly it is $1,500. I prefer family. Excuse me. Then I submit. So basically, when this process is completed, the property is added now, added successfully into my portfolio, and so as soon as it's been added, I'm straight away taken to the property. This is called property profile page. So all the activities which you do with respect to managing the properties, there are a lot of capabilities available here which I'll cover in other videos. There are a lot of capabilities which we'll be touching upon. So that's how you add a property and start managing